Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to recall your mail in Outlook. So without further ado, let us begin. So let's say you accidentally sent someone an email and now you want to recall it or unsend it. So to do that, what you want to do is log in into your Outlook account in outlook.live.com, and then once you're done logging in, what you want to do is go to send items and then just look for the email that you want to recall. So let's say it's this one. So there are two options that you could do to recall your email. So the first option is what you want to do is just double click on that email, and then all you have to do is just click on these three dots right here, and then you should see over here an actions tab, and then from there will be a button right there that says recall email. So this option is really limited, so I don't have it as of now. So yeah, maybe you have it, so you can check it out. So if you don't have that option, so the second option that you can do is just click on the mail that you want to unsend, and then just click on this trash can right here that says delete, and then what you want to do is just click on OK, and then your email will be deleted. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to recall your mail in Outlook.